Hey, what's going on, man? DJ Magic Kenny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Big up to all the DJs, man. But before we get started, before I start talking today, I want you to subscribe to this channel. If it's your first time here, we're gonna drop some mixtape, we drop music, we drop videos, and I drop videos like this where I'm having conversation with the DJs about business, about like mental health. So yeah, where do DJs get their music? Where do I get my music? I remember I've made a video about this to show you guys how to download music for free, and YouTube has definitely taken that video down. I'm here to tell you now the right way on how to download music. If you ever watched that first video that I posted, then you know how to get music for free online, you know, based off SoundCloud and YouTube and all of that. But if you want to get good quality sound, good quality music, you want to get the latest songs, the clean version, the dirty version, the club versions, like you want to get all these professional songs straight from the label, straight from the producer, then there's a few websites that you gotta check. There's a few websites that you gotta register for so you can get access to these songs easily every month, every day, every hour. Every time they release them, then you'll be able to have them. Me personally, with I'm gonna mention like three. I think that's the three top ones for me, but I only use one of them. I don't really use a lot of websites like that because I feel like they're all the same, and I like to download. I like to create my own playlist. Like I personalize my playlist for my taste and for the crowd that I have, the followers that I have. So, but for me, I only use one of them. I only use one, and I'm gonna share with you the three websites that I believe that if you subscribe to or if you do a membership on them, you'll be good when it comes to music. The very first one is Digital DJ Pool. To me, that's the cheapest one, and that's the, I wouldn't say easiest one, but that's the cheapest one, and it has a pretty good database. They have like the latest songs and a few Caribbean songs as well, but not a lot. It's mostly hip hop and R&B and pop, I would say. So digitaldjpool.com, you get on there. I think their membership is $20 a month. And then you can try the free not a free version, but they got $1 7 days, I believe. Just $1, and then you get 7 days to download music for free. So you can't beat that. But the monthly subscription is $20, and you have access to download whatever songs that you want to download off their database. I used to use Digital DJ Pool, but my only thing with them, I feel like there's a diversity that I'm looking for that they don't have, and to me, I don't mind paying an extra $5 or $10 to get everything that I want in one spot, instead of, you know, paying you $20 and I still have to kill my head to find some, I don't know, some Spanish songs, to find some dancehall, to find some Afrobeats, you know? The second one is DJ City. DJcity.com. A lot of DJs use that. A lot of DJs know about it. You probably heard about it before, but I know the price probably make you think twice, but it's really worth it. DJ City is definitely worth the price. It's a little bit more expensive. It's basically $30 a month, but they don't charge you per month. They charge you every 3 months. So that means you got to pay $90 every time you pay them, but it's for 3 months. So in the long run, it's still the same price, but it's a little bit more when you're paying it the first time. So, but for the $90 for every 3 months, for the $30 every month, it is really worth it because you have access to remixes, you have access to club edits, you have access to Caribbean music, not fully Caribbean music, but the mainstream one. You have access to Spanish music, you have access to EDM, house music. Like, it's literally everything, hip hop, R&B, everything in one place. So that's why, to me, I believe DJ City is definitely the #1 website where you should be getting your music from. And you have the clean version, dirty version, instrumental sometime, a cappella sometime. It's really the DJ City. That's where almost every DJ I know get their tracks from. That's the second one. And the third one, there's a lot more. We have some like Beatport. There's beatport.com. I think this is more for like EDM house and Afro house and trap and stuff like that. You have MP3 Wax. They give you access to a lot of songs as well. You have Hot New Hip Hop. Hot New Hip Hop, I'm not sure if you can download it straight from the website or if they have a membership, but I know they do give you the songs, the track list of the songs that are new and that are popping, so you can always go around and use that cheat code that I gave in the previous video, where you can download your song. It's very easy. It's not complicated. You just put the name of the song that you want and you put download MP3 next to it on Google. And then you're gonna find a link. I promise you that you can download the song. See, I just give it to you here again. Yeah, so the third one I want to mention is DG Wax. You're gonna see the websites in the bottom of the screen, and I'm gonna put them in the description as well, so you can go and just hit the link and then take you straight to the website. But DG Wax, I'm not sure how much they charge a month, but I know you gotta sign up. You gotta get in there. You sign up, and I think they're probably gonna ask you for a donation or I don't know. They ask you for a fee that is not too high, and you still have the same things. You have access to a lot of hip hop, a lot of R&B. Most of these websites, they really focus. All three of these websites, my top threes, they focus more on hip hop and R&B and pop and EDM. That I'll tell you. And the only one that has more diversity is DJ City, like I was saying, because they have more Caribbean songs, they have more African songs like Afrobeats and stuff. So that's the three websites. To me, I think it's really popping for any DJ to subscribe to so they can get their music, so they can get their songs. But the #1, if you don't want the headache, if you want to kill yourself from having headaches to like finding clean version, dirty version, Caribbean, hip hop, DJ City, that's what I personally use. And I suggest anybody, any DJ, any upcoming DJ, if you can afford it, hey, get on it and you'll be surprised. You're really gonna improve your playlist, your crates and everything. It's really worth it. Also, I know you guys been asking me for sound effects in my samplers, right? I got you, don't worry. On the link below, you'll find a folder. You'll find a link that's gonna direct you to how to download the sound effects that I have, right? So I just put a folder together for you guys, and then you can just hit the link, and then you get it easy. 1, 2, 3. If you need the shirt that I have on as well, you see it says Music is Life. It's made by Creole Wear. You could find him on the link below as well. It's right. There's a shop actually. The shop is officially on. The shop is officially on this channel. So you can buy everything you want from my shop on this YouTube channel. Again, the top 3 websites to get your music, DJs, Digital DJ Pool. I think that's the cheapest one. The second one is DJ City. Comes in at $30 a month. And then the last one is DG Wax. I believe it's around the same price. I'm not sure their price because I haven't used it in a long time. There's a lot more website I'm gonna put in the description below, so feel free to check them out. And I hope this video helped you. You can build your playlist, build your crates. To all the DJs, keep doing what you do, and remember, stop trying to be a good DJ. Focus on being a good person. You don't need to be a good DJ. You need to be a good person. Once you're a good person, you're automatically a good DJ. Peace out.